Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove items from your cart on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see your cart at the right side where it shows the cart icon. If you wish to delete any items from your cart, just click on Cart Checkout. And now in order to remove the item from your cart, just click on the delete button alongside the item underneath action. You can also use the check boxes along each entry if you have multiple items within your cart. And after marking them all, you can click on the remove selected option to remove multiple items from your cart at the same time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove items from your cart on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.